Doon kami nagpunta nung nakaraan mga katrops. So ayun no, ito. Yung ginatawag nila ng Fairview Look. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Yun no, yun. Doon kami nagpunta mga katrops. Ang karet ng daan doon mga katrops. At matatanaw mo yung buong Lake Louise yan pag nandun ka na. Ito yung matatanaw mo doon no. Tapos yun. Yung buong lake na yan, patanaw mo yan dun. Alright, yeah, let's go. Yeah, can you see it? Alright, welcome back mga katrops. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Fairview Lookout. 1.1 km lang ito mula dito sa may Lake Louise Chateau. But nanonood nyo kung gano'n ka-assault ko. Oh yes, you get it. Okay.
We're gonna help you.
Help. Medyo matarik tong dinadaanan namin mga katrops eh. Pero, pataas ko dito. 1.1 km lang pero matigas. Pataas kasi itong mga trops yung Fairview Lookout eh. I'm not touching your boo-boo. Okay. Halika. Papita ko yung ating dinadaanan. Yan o. Yeah. Tingnan mo ito mga katrops. Yeah. Yan. Maganda itong magpatno-tunaw ng kinainan mga katrops kasi pakyat itong Fairview Lookout. Alam mo kano kataas yan oh. Oh, yun yung babaw. Tapos yun yung lake. Alright. Tapos pakyat rin tayo.
There's another house.
Yeah.
It's my house.
Yeah. But you need to be careful, okay?
Stay for the board.
Ano daan mga katrops? Matirik talaga. It's so steep, Marley. Right? So high too.
My legs are tiny.
You're tired. Yeah. Tingnan mo ito mga katrops yung kahoy ito. Ang laki nito. Yeah.
Look at me.
I know, I see you. Where's your hat?
It's here with Marcus Tan.
Okay. Grabe yung mga puno dito mga katrops. Talagang masukal. Oo. Gano'n katataas yan. Yeah. Oh, let's go! Pero pagka pumakyat kayo dito, magmasid-masid kayo mga katrops. Baka meron tayong makikita mga wild animals dyan. Hindi natin alam. Alright. Come on, time. Mga katrops. Grabe pala katarik tong Fairview Lookout. Right time? It's so stiff.
So tired.
1.1 lang pero grabing taas. I mean grabing yung
Look, I'm so
elevation.
tired.
Yeah, I know you're tired. Pero content ano na lang. At na mararating natin yung Fairview Lookout na sinasabi. Worth it daw eh. Sabi ng mababa. Alright. Yeah. We're almost here. See, I see the lake already dying. See? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We're almost done. See? Whew. Few more steps. Woo, come on.
I see the lake.
Now we're going down. Yeah, tumasaw. Yeah. Kidlat is coming. Yeah.
Kidlat, I'm coming.
Yeah. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Worth ito talaga mga trops kasi ito yung tinatawag na lookout eh. Yun, Fairview Lookout. Yeah. Yeah, we did it! Woo! Grabe. Whew. Here we go. That's it.
A few moments later.
Ito yung tinatawag na lookout yun. Oh, ganda talaga doon. Yan. Lookout na. Ang galing. Isipin mo, nakapunta pa dito. Look at that, Marley. So good, right? Eh? Woo. Be careful. Very nice. Ito talaga yung hinahanap dito mga katrops, oh. Yung lookout. Yan. Hey, why you do that? Don't do that. Ayan yung Chateau Lake Louise mga katrops. Yan. Yes! How you doing? Hey, be careful, didn't go there. You're gonna pull down there. Then you bump your head. Dito kayo tayo. Oh. Alam mo, daming tao doon, oh. Ayun, oh. Yan. Alam mo, gano'ng kaliliit yung mga tao doon, oh. Oh. Magaling doon. Yeah. We started in Chicago. Careful. Yeah. Kathleen will put the sticker here because we've been here the first time. Right, Kathleen?
Let me put it there.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, put the sticker right there. Do it. Do it like this.
Papa, give me tickles.
Yeah, here we go. See? Good job, baby.
Papa, give me
Oh. High five.
Papa, give me two.
Rock and roll.
Papa, give me
Yeah.
Papa.
Look, Kathleen, we're in the middle. I mean, in the top of the world. Yan yung view mga katrops doon, no? So worth it talaga tong Fairview Lookout mga katrops.
Wow.
Right, Kathleen? I will
Papa,
give you. Yeah. Huwag kayong pumunta doon kasi danger sa gagawin. Yeah, you can try. Yeah. Go, Marley, please, come here.
No, good, mommy, I will buy. Okay.
Yun, no? So kung nagbabala kayong bisitahin tong Fairview, ang advice ko sa inyo, pumunta kayo na para hindi masyadong mainit. Ayan mo naman. Yan, medyo mainit-init na eh, kaya nakasando lang tayo ngayon. Yeah. Marley, can you give more chips? Tingnan mo si Kathleen, oh, yan. So hanggang dito lang siguro yung vlog natin sa Fairview Lookout. Dito lang to sa Lake Louise. So right mga katrops. So stay tuned and rock and roll and see you to the next one. Right time?
Yeah.